Welcome to Zama cartoon. Hello kids, let's learn fruit's name.
Come along and sing with me. Fruits are falling from the tree. Apple, the apple red fell to the ground. Crunchy, juicy, sweet and round. Banana, all the yellow bananas fell in a row. Peel them fast and off we go. Mango, oh mango, golden, soft and sweet. A yummy fruit I love to eat. Orange, orange rolls down round and bright. Peel the skin, it tastes just right. Fruits are healthy, fruits are sweet, falling down for us to eat. Grapes, purple grapes, a bunch so small. Eat them one or eat them all. Strawberry, strawberry red with tiny seeds. Tasty fruit for yummy meat. Pineapple, pineapple spiky yellow inside. Juicy rings we cut with pride. Watermelon big and round. Green outside, red is found. Fruits are healthy, fruits are sweet, falling down for us to eat. Each fell soft with fuzzy skin. Bite it once and juice flows in. Pear is green and shaped so tall, sweet and tasty for us all. Cherry, all cherry red, so small and bright. Pop it in and take a bite. Lumber, purple plum fell from the tree. Juicy fruit for you and me. Fruits are healthy, fruits are sweet, falling down for us to eat. Papaya, orange, big and long. Cut it up and sing this song. Guava, oh guava, green with seeds inside. Soft and tasty, full of pride. Coconut, oh coconut, fell with a thud. Drink its water, it tastes good. Pomegranate seeds so red, like small jewels inside our spread. Kiwi, called kiwi brown, but green inside. Sweet and sour both collide. Lemon, a lemon yellow, sour and fun. Juice it up in the summer sun. Apple, mango, grapes and pear. So many fruits are everywhere. Healthy, yummy, can't go wrong. Come eat fruits and sing this song.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.